Manufacturers want to make sure that their employees, the users, people on work on assembly lines and any area of that manufacturing have a safe environment, and they want to avoid any incidents that may happen that can affect their efficiency and their productivity.
With Safety Reimagined, we can provide an end-to-end response that helps them with detecting what they need to be aware of, communicating throughout their organization around what they need to do to provide that response or to react to problems before they can turn into bigger problems.
Manufacturing facilities know that technology is something that can help them have a competitive advantage in the future. They're looking for, how do we incorporate artificial intelligence, analytics, and machine learning to help them do their jobs more efficiently.
Practically, all the safety people cannot be at each and every corner of any building or any operations. So you need another set of eyes, our cameras. Now, if we have intelligence in the cameras that can analyze and sense any unusual activity, anything that is not appropriate for that operation, it can trigger an alert.
With Safety Reimagined, it's more than just an investment in safety. It's going to help you be more efficient, more effective around the core of your business.